Good morning, class 6. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. So, the next topic that we have to discuss here is separation of immiscible liquid. So, before going into detail of immiscible liquid, first we will understand what is miscible liquid and what is immiscible liquid. In case of solid, if you take salt and dissolve in water, it get completely mixed, then we can say salt is soluble in water. If you take some liquid and mix in water, and if it get completely mixed, then we can say both the liquids are miscible. Means in case of solid we use word soluble, and in case of liquid we use the word miscible. And in case of insoluble solids, which is not soluble, we use the word insoluble, and in case of liquid we use the word immiscible. Okay, so what is the definition of miscible? Two liquids are said to be miscible when mixed. They do not form two separate layers. Means two liquids are said to be miscible when mixed they do not form two separate layers. It is called miscible liquid. Immiscible liquids, two liquids are said to be immiscible when mixed they form two distinct layers. Means two liquid is said to be miscible when it do not form separate layer, and two liquid is said to be immiscible when they form separate layer. What I mean to say that, take a glass of water and you add some oil in that. You will see that if you add oil in this, water will be at the bottom and the oil will be floating above the water. Means there is two separate layers. One layer is of oil and another layer is of water. Means we can say oil is not miscible in water. Example, if I say alcohol plus water, this is the example of miscible liquid, and example of immiscible liquid is oil plus water. This is the example of immiscible liquid. So you know what is miscible liquid, you know what is immiscible liquid. Now we will come to the term separation of immiscible liquid. How we can separate immiscible liquid? For this we have a equipment called separating funnel. This is the structure of the separating funnel. This separating funnel is placed on a stand, and this is the stopcock. Means this is the knob. By regulating it, we can control the flow of liquid, and we can even close or stop the flow of liquid. Okay, so what we will do, for example, I have a mixture of or immiscible mixture of water. Means this is oil and this is water. We have two mixture means two immiscible liquid that got mixed together, I need to separate it. What we will do, we will simply transfer it in the separating funnel and we will let it rest for some time. After some time, all the water will settle at the bottom, means on the lower side of the separating funnel, and the oil will settle on the top of the water. Now, once it has formed two distinct layers, you slowly open this stopcock. Slowly when you open it, it will start flowing drop by drop, drop by drop, drop by drop. Let it fall. When after some time, what happens? After some time, what you will see that till here water has came and till here oil is present. You close the knob. After closing the knob, slowly, slightly open it and let the liquid drop by drop, drop by drop. Once it comes more downwards, means when it comes till here, oil comes till here and still some water is there, close the stopcock. You close the stopcock, remove this. In this container A, I have water. Okay. Now place a container B. Place the container B. Open the stopcock slowly. The liquid, the water will first fall down and after that some oil will fall down. When the oil start falling down, close the stopcock. Remove this. So in B we have mixture of oil and water. Okay. Now place a third container. This is C and open the stopcock. All the oil will come down in this container. So in A we got all the water, in C we get all the oil. So we have separated it. So we can separate two immiscible liquid with the help of separating funnel. Okay. So if still someone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay. Thank you.